All right, this video is an overview for Unit 1 and what you will be doing there. Unit 1 is a little bit different than the rest of the units in the course because it has to do with a critical introduction. I'm going to post on the in Unit 1 kind of an introduction to Paul's letters. I recommend you read it. I'm not going to give you any specific assignment because it's not directly related, but I think it might help give you a context of what's going on in the Ephesian letter. I do want you to note very carefully and remember for each unit that you need to be reading, first of all, the text. You don't have any specific text to read on this because it's the introductory time, but you do want to read that on each unit where you are dealing with textual material. And you also want to read the textbooks, which would be O'Brien and the Pillar Commentary and Folks and the Tyndall Commentary, as well as the notes, personal notes that I posted on Blackboard. Then I also want you to remember that in addition to reading, you also need to wrestle. This is going to be the big thing. If you're really going to get a lot out of biblical study, in my opinion, you have to wrestle with the text. It doesn't do any good just to read what others say. In fact, I would say that's not the first thing to do. The first thing to do is read the text, biblical text, and then wrestle with that on your own, and then go to the commentaries. So that's what I would really encourage you to do. But what you're going to do in this unit particularly is to read that introductory material in my notes and in also in O'Brien and Folks, and then I want you to go to others, some New Testament introductions, biblical dictionaries, and things of that nature, and look at the slide in the Unit 1 PowerPoint. I give you some specific instructions about writing the critical introduction, and so just follow that through. Do research, cite the sources that you use. Don't forget to do that. So because that will be very important. Now, in addition to that, once you do that, I'm asking you, as you're instructed in the PowerPoint, you want to follow that closely. I'm asking you to post that in two places. To post it in the groups, and there's a group Zeta that includes everybody, and everybody will be in that group. And I want you to post it in the file exchange there. That way, everybody can go to it and can look at be sure to put your name on it, don't forget that. But they can read your material and then they can respond to it, which is what I want them to do. But I'm also asking you to post that in assignments as well so that we can grade it. When we grade it in assignments, then it automatically posts your grade on the grade center. So don't forget to do that. So you're going to have two assignments this week, and that is it includes reading and then writing a critical introduction, reading the introductory material, writing a critical introduction, and then choose two of the other critical introductions and do some evaluation on that. The instructions are in the PowerPoint. So be sure to take a look at that and note the assignment dates. Your individual assignments are due on Wednesday at midnight. Normally, this week, I'm just going to make this first unit, we'll make Saturday night the due date for everything. Gives you a little bit more time to write the critical introduction, and then your response to the other critical intros are due on the Monday night following. So be sure to follow that and just keep up the good work. Thank you.